Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Super excited to give you another video. I want to talk about this system here. It says quit your 9 to 5 with a $12 system. Is that possible? Let's talk about it in this video. Before we get started, guys, smash the like button, hit the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Guys, I am stoked about this system. We're going to build this thing so big. This is going to be back-end money. Front-end, sort of front-end, sort of back-end money. This is going to be a long-term strategy. This is going to be for online marketers, offline marketers, mainly online marketers, those that want to start with very little amount to get started, $12, and build it to $500 per month, then scale up to $700 a month, $1,000 a month, $2,000 per month. Folks, it's got opportunity to go over $3,000 per month with this system. Income disclaimer: nothing happens until you take action. Folks, this thing is converting like crazy. The link below the video. I've never seen anything that will convert the way this thing is converting. What is it? It's a marketing system. It is a marketing system that builds downlines on autopilot for you. And in the back office, you can plug any. It's got multiple businesses in the back office. It's like a downline builder. And when people join, you promote with one link, and then they'll join those several other opportunities right up under you. And it's just an incredible concept. Any business you want to market, you can explode your results with this opportunity. It's very exciting. Again, it's a marketing system. So guys, when you get a chance, listen to this entire webinar. One video I'm going to upload, and I will upload this entire webinar because it is amazing when you get a chance to look at it. Now, global eruption is happening right now. I mean, there is an explosion of income happening as we speak. Folks, this is hands down, period, amen, the easiest affiliate program. Now, don't look over the internet, guys, for something any easier. This is the easiest way to achieve $500 per month that I've ever seen. The quickest way to grow this thing, folks, the quickest way is through solo ads, or Facebook marketing or YouTube marketing. I am even going to make a team postcard for our team members. I can make you a postcard if you decide to partner along with us. Not required. I mean, yeah, not required. But how fast you want to go. We're going to make a business card. You can pass it out. How about a business card, guys? If you pass out a business card, it says quit your 95 with a $12 system. I promote a lot of programs, guys, and I'm starting right here at the beginning of the year, the beginning of this year, with building a business and where we're going to be in 2022 with this thing. Some of us are going to be sitting at $5,000 per month. I guarantee you, $5,000 per month. If we take action, if we take and get busy. And folks, this ain't counting what we're doing, the other businesses, like the quick money, the big ticket commissions. This is something that we can build slow and steady over time, and it can begin to snowball. We're going to look at the compensation plan. Folks, the compensation plan is second to none. It is a 2-up system, and it is exciting to look at what is possible. We're going to look at this comp plan, and then I'll talk a little bit about this system. Again, I like to keep my videos around 15 minutes long so I can really talk about the concepts of what we're getting into here. We have multiple lead capture pages that you can get, and they are exciting. In another video, I'll talk about the capture pages, and they convert like crazy. Let me show you a couple of them while it's fresh in my mind. Here is a capture page that we're promoting. And this thing, guys, converts like it's nobody's business. Jeff Allman out of Texas, he gives a webinar. Talks about the system. People come down, put their name and email address, and I take them and they can register for a free account. You get a 7-day free trial. And then if you decide to be more than a tour taker, you can become a student for only $12. And folks, this is only $12 per month. And then you can snowball it into thousands per month. Look at the testimonials, and we'll go from there. Let's just grab a testimonial real quick and see if we can hear it. Hang on tight.
Hey, what's going on? I have a little quick testimonial from my man, Jeff Amos. Hey guys, I'm been doing internet marketing for a while now, a few years, and I stumbled across Prosperity Marketing System and Jeff Amon, really by accident. And I have to say, I'm really happy and I'm impressed with the splash page that Jeff set up for me. And when I sent an email out to him, it was a really quick response, and he had it like up and ready the same day. So I'm one of his students, and he has really great training, and I'm excited to see what else he, brings to the table. I highly recommend him. The training's good. He's gonna walk you step by step. He doesn't leave anything out, and he's definitely worth checking out. So, thanks, Jeff. God bless you, man, and I'll talk to you later.
Powerful testimonial, folks, and check out all these testimonials. On some of the videos that I go through, guys, we'll check out several of these testimonials, and we'll go from there. But this is one of the lead capture pages that you get. And then Jeff talks about the webinar. Look at the signups, guys. Again, this thing is converting unlike I've ever seen. I mean, I've just sent out a few emails to the team, to some people that follow me, and they're signing up to this thing. I already referred about 23 people to this program, and 8 of them already took action, already joined to become students of this program. So that thing's converting gangbusters. So here are some of the benefits, guys. And look at how many testimonials. We got about 8 testimonials here. You scroll down to the bottom, guys. We got more testimonials, more testimonials. It says, wow, I'm excited. I haven't made money online in over 3 years. Wow, I'm so excited. I haven't made money online in over 3 years, and I haven't really promoted PMS yet. Hadn't even got started, and he's making money. I get messages like this all the time. Awesome. I'm excited. So excited about the cry. You have created the opportunity that average person can make money with. It says the best thing I came across in almost 5 years online. Thank you. So that's what Jennifer was saying. Just a powerful system, guys. Let's look at the compensation plan, and I'm going to talk a little bit more in detail about this system, guys. Click the link below to get started. Go ahead and create a free account, guys. You have nothing to lose. It's very, very exciting. Let's look at the Happy New Year. Let's look at the compensation video. Let's see if I can find that thing. It's somewhere around here. Hang on tight, guys. I'll get it. Okay, guys, let's take a look at this compensation video and see what you think. Absolutely exciting.
Hello, Darren Olander here, and I'm excited to share with you the compensation plan behind the Prosperity Marketing System. This system has an extremely powerful but simple compensation plan. It is 100% with leverage, and this means all the money goes to the members. I keep absolutely nothing. And the leverage means as you build your team will help you make sales. So you can actually turn one sale into an unlimited amount more. That's a lot more rewarding than 100%. With the Prosperity Marketing System, I'm actually giving it all away to you. You get paid better than me. I've spent a fortune developing the system. I'll continue to do that, and as well as maintaining it. The members get 100% commissions, and I only get paid when I directly for members, just like you do. And for me, that's enough, because I know the system works. I already make more than enough just promoting the system myself. That's why I'm so confident that you can too. The fees that you pay for your membership, for example, go to your upline, just like the fees of your referrals will do for you. So all you have to do to get that ball rolling is join and then start building your team. So let's get into the details of the compensation. So this is what a traditional referral tree looks like. This is you at the top. This is where it all starts.
Guys, pay close attention to this thing.
On the next
Powerful.
line are all your referrals. You can have a limited amount of referrals on here. So let's say you referred Jim, Mary, Adam, and Sarah. You'll earn 100% of whatever Jim is paying. Now, after the processing fee, which has to be removed because we're charged that from the processing company, 100% of that is paid out. So you'll earn 100% of that after that's done. Now, your second sale and your fourth sale are actually passed up to your upline. And this is to secure leverage for you for the future so that it can snowball into a ton amount of extra sales for you. Your third sale goes 100% to you, just like your first sale did, and your fifth sale and any sale after that go 100% to you every single month. But let's get into how the leverage works and why that is so good. Now, look at your first referral, and Jim. So he's made as many referrals as you, for example, say 4. His first and his third sale go 100% to him, just like yours did. Now his second and fourth sale are passed up, just like your second and fourth sale is passed up. Except this time, his second and fourth are passed up to you because you're his sponsor. So you make 100% every single month into your pocket. And what's even cooler is this goes to unlimited levels. So, say this person, the referral of Jim, makes 4 sales. Well, their first sale and their third sale go 100% to them, just like it did for you and it did for Jim. Now their second and fourth sale are passed up, and since they were passed up to you, their second and fourth is also passed up to you. So as you can see, this will snowball in the amount of sales that other people are making for you. All you need to do is get the ball rolling, and as other people start making sales, they'll begin passing up to you. And the same thing would happen with these second and fourth sales.
Folks, you see the power of this plan. Everybody got to pass up their second and fourth sale to you through infinity. That's incredible to me.
Sales that Tammy made. Well, their second and fourth sales are also passed up to you. So, and that goes to unlimited levels. Now that's a lot of income potential there. And all you have to do to get that leverage is pass up your second and your fourth sale, which will go to your upline sponsor. Or if you're passed up to someone, then you're passing up your sales to them. You'll earn 100% of your sales, your first and your third, and in your fifth sale and any sale after that, as well as the second and fourth sale of any of your referrals, and then any pass-up sales. So there's a ton of income potential here. I hope you can see it. I look forward to paying you a ton of commissions from this. All you have to do is get the ball rolling. I look forward to sending you those commissions. Take care.
Okay, guys, so that goes on through infinity. Everybody pass up their second and fourth sales to you. So they get the first, the third, the fifth, and every sale after the fifth. Powerful. So, guys, I cannot be more excited about the compensation plan. It's an all-in-one marketing system. In the back office, guys, it's going to help you promote your whatever businesses you're in. You can customize the back office the way you want it. Whatever business you're in, it will help explode the results of your business. So what I'm doing, guys, I am putting some of the businesses that I am promoting into the back end of this program in the back office, and then people are seeing it. And then the compensation plan, I'm getting all these pass-ups that when they log into the back office, they're going to see my businesses. Folks, it's absolutely exciting. They'll see your businesses that you're promoting, and very excited about this program. Let's look over here real quick and go here. So I'm very excited about this program. When you get a chance, take another look at this compensation video. Link below the video, guys. Get started today. And hey, watch the webinar. Learn how you can quit your 9 to 5 with a $12 system. Same thing Jeff did, and you can do the same too. Have a wonderful day, guys. Until the next video, bye for now.